Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from Shark Tank, inventor of the infomercial, and as seen on TV, pioneer. You probably know that the world of e-commerce has turned thousands of people into multimillionaires. But you may be wondering, that's great, but how do you get started? Or maybe you're an experienced online seller and you've been selling for years, but you don't know how to double your sales. Let me tell you, I've met thousands of entrepreneurs in my life, but when I met Ellen Lin in person and I learned about her e-commerce program, I made a deal with her right there on the spot for her to teach my team about her blueprint for e-commerce. Why did I do that? What does she have to offer that all the others don't? Well, first of all, her story of turning $600 into millions is pretty amazing. And Ellen has a unique strategy that's totally different than any of the other Amazon and Shopify gurus out there. Not only that, she's experienced in Amazon USA, Amazon Asia, and Amazon Europe. And she's also an expert on eBay and Walmart. And she has a global e-commerce strategy. And that's really saying something. So, whether you're from the US or Taiwan, China, Malaysia, Brazil, the UK, France, or South Africa, you have to work with Ellen. She'll be there to help you achieve your dream life through e-commerce. Check out Ellen's complete blueprint called the $1 Million Golden Formula. She's already helped hundreds of people around the globe, and she's ready to help you to achieve total financial freedom through e-commerce. So why don't you turn your $600 into millions by working with Ellen? This is Kevin Harrington. Thanks for tuning in.